After you create your account, join a class using the Add button, using the code given. Then after joining the class, click the class name, then the assigned name. Then using the Add button at your upper right hand, choose Add from Computer. A window will appear. Choose the file containing your homework. It's preferable for it to be a PDF, not just pictures. Then the file will be uploaded. Then rename the file to be homework, the number of the homework, whether it's homework 4, homework 5, dash, the name of the homework, if it's a diary or photo card or an email, dash your name. And your name as in your name, your name and your father's name, not just your own name. Then save the homework, and we'll update you when it's correct.